Cashew farms are hot, they're humid. The air is thick with moisture, making it feel like a tropical paradise, albeit a sweltering one. And they're filled with the sweet smell of ripe fruit. The aroma is almost intoxicating, a blend of earthiness and sweetness that signals the peak of the harvest season. Not the cashew itself, mind you, the nut is hidden away, almost like a secret waiting to be discovered. That's hidden inside a shell, attached to a larger fleshy fruit called the cashew apple. This apple is not just a byproduct, it's a crucial part of the cashew's life cycle. Rows of these trees stretch as far as the eye can see, their branches heavy with the promise of a bountiful harvest. It's a sight to behold, a testament to nature's abundance. Workers, often from nearby villages, fan out across the orchard. They come with a wealth of knowledge passed down through generations. Their trained eyes scan the branches, looking for the telltale signs of ripe cashews. It's a skill that takes years to perfect. The cashew apple turns a vibrant red or yellow when it's ready. This color change is nature's way of signaling that the fruit is at its peak. It's a visual cue that the nut inside is mature and ready for picking. Timing is everything in this delicate process. Unlike other nuts, cashews aren't shaken or beaten from the tree. Each fruit is treated with care and respect. Each fruit is carefully plucked by hand to avoid damaging the delicate nut inside. It's slow, meticulous work, requiring patience and precision, but it's essential for ensuring the quality of the final product. Every step in this process is crucial to maintaining the nut's integrity. The workers collect the cashew apples in baskets or sacks. These containers are filled with the fruits of their labor, quite literally. They're careful not to touch the nuts directly. Handling them requires a level of caution due to the toxic oil in the shell. The cashew shell contains a toxic oil that can cause severe skin irritation. This oil, known as urushiol, is the same substance found in poison ivy. It's one of the many challenges faced by those who work in the cashew industry. Despite these hurdles, their dedication ensures that we can enjoy this delicious nut. Once the baskets are full, they're transported to a central collection point within the orchard. This is often a shaded area where workers can take a break from the intense sun. The air here is thick with the sweet, pungent aroma of ripe cashew apples. The cashew apples are separated from the nuts. The apples are often used locally to make juices, jams, and even alcoholic beverages. But the real prize is the nut hidden inside the hard shell. The separated cashews are then spread out in the sun to dry. This initial drying process helps to prevent spoilage. It also makes the next stage of processing a little bit easier. Drying can take several days, depending on the weather conditions. Workers regularly turn the nuts to ensure even drying. It's a critical step that can impact the flavor and quality of the final product. After drying in the sun, the cashews are transported to a processing facility. This journey is crucial as it marks the beginning of their transformation from raw nuts to the delicious snacks we enjoy. Here, they'll undergo a series of meticulous steps to transform them from their raw state into the delicious snacks we know and love. Each stage is carefully designed to ensure the highest quality. The first step in this transformation is a more thorough drying process. This step is essential to prepare the cashews for the subsequent stages. The cashews are spread out on large trays and placed in industrial drying ovens. These ovens are designed to provide a controlled environment for optimal drying. This controlled environment ensures that all the moisture is removed from the nuts, preventing spoilage and ensuring a longer shelf life. Moisture control is critical to maintaining the nut's quality. Once the cashews are completely dry, they're sorted by size and quality. This sorting process is vital to ensure uniformity in the final product. This is often done by hand, with trained workers visually inspecting each nut. Their expertise ensures that only the best nuts move forward. Damaged or discolored nuts are removed. This step is crucial to maintain the high standards expected by consumers. Only the highest quality cashews make it through to the next stage. These selected nuts are now ready for further processing. Sorting is a labor-intensive process. It requires a keen eye and attention to detail to ensure that each nut meets the required standards. But it's essential for maintaining the quality and consistency that consumers expect. Quality control is a continuous process that ensures the final product is perfect. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of those who work in the cashew industry. Their commitment ensures that we can enjoy high-quality cashews every time. The heart of any cashew processing plant is the shelling area. This is where technology plays a crucial role in efficiently and safely removing the tough outer shell. Traditional methods of shelling cashews involved manual cracking, often with stones or hammers. It was slow, dangerous work, but today specialized machines have revolutionized the process. These machines use a combination of pressure and vibration to crack the cashew shells without damaging the delicate nut inside. It's a delicate balancing act. Too much pressure, and the nut is crushed. Too little, and the shell remains intact. The shelling machines are a marvel of engineering. They can process thousands of cashews per hour, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of injury to workers. Section 5. Shelling Secrets: Releasing the Cashew Nut. Once the cashew shells have been cracked, the real challenge begins: separating the nut from the shell fragments. This is another area where technology has made significant strides. Sophisticated machines use a combination of air pressure, vibration, and size grading to separate the nuts from the shell fragments. The lighter shell fragments are blown away, while the heavier nuts are collected separately. This process is remarkably efficient. It ensures that only whole, undamaged cashew nuts make it through to the next stage of processing. It's a testament to how technology is constantly evolving to improve efficiency and reduce waste in the food industry. Section 6. Skin Removal: A Delicate Balancing Act. With the shells removed, the cashews are now ready for another crucial step: skin removal. Each cashew nut is covered by a thin, papery skin that needs to be removed before it can be eaten. This skin is removed through a process called steaming or roasting. The cashews are briefly exposed to high temperatures, which loosens the skin and makes it easier to remove. It's a delicate balancing act. Too much heat and the nut will cook, affecting its flavor and texture. After steaming or roasting, the cashews are cooled and then fed into a machine that gently rubs off the loosened skin. This process is often done in stages, with the cashews passing through multiple machines to ensure that all the skin is removed. Section 7. Roasting and flavoring: Enhancing the taste. The skinless cashew nuts are now ready for the final stages of processing: roasting and flavoring. This is where the magic happens, transforming the raw nuts into the delicious snacks we all love. Roasting enhances the natural flavor of the cashews, giving them their characteristic crunchy texture. The process brings out the rich, buttery notes that make cashews so irresistible. The cashews are roasted in large, rotating drums that evenly distribute heat. This ensures that each nut is perfectly roasted, achieving a uniform taste and texture. The roasting time and temperature vary depending on the desired flavor profile. Precision is key, as even slight adjustments can significantly impact the final product. Some cashews are lightly roasted to maintain their delicate flavor, offering a milder taste that some consumers prefer, while others are roasted for longer to achieve a more intense, nutty taste. This deeper roast brings out a robust flavor that is perfect for those who enjoy a stronger, nutty experience. After roasting, the cashews can be flavored with a variety of seasonings. This step adds an extra layer of taste, making each bite a unique experience. Salt is a popular choice, enhancing the natural flavors of the cashews and adding a savory touch. But other options include pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, each adding its own distinct flavor profile. And even sweet coatings like honey or caramel. These sweet variations offer a delightful contrast to the nutty base, creating a perfect balance of flavors. The flavoring process is highly customizable, allowing producers to experiment with different combinations and create unique blends, allowing producers to cater to a wide range of consumer preferences. From spicy to sweet, there's a flavor for everyone. It's this versatility that makes cashews such a popular snack food around the world. Whether enjoyed on their own or as part of a mix, cashews continue to delight taste buds everywhere. Section 8. Packaging and Distribution: From Farm to Table. The final stage of the cashew processing journey involves packaging and distribution. The roasted and flavored cashews are carefully inspected one last time to ensure quality and consistency. They are then weighed and packaged into various sizes, from small snack packs to bulk containers. The packaging is designed to preserve the freshness and crunch of the cashews, ensuring they reach consumers in optimal condition. The packaged cashews are then shipped to distribution centers and eventually make their way to supermarket shelves, snack aisles, and online retailers, ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. The journey from cashew orchard to consumer's plate is a complex one, involving a blend of traditional farming practices and modern technology. It's a testament to the hard work of countless individuals who play a role in bringing this delicious and nutritious nut to our tables.